My name is Marty Monks, and I love On the Edge Fitness because it has given me a whole new chance at starting a new career that fits in with my life and is a lot of fun. Learning style, that's the main reason, other than Donna's energy, why I really wanted to go to school with her, is because instead of being in a classroom with 30 or 40 people, all different ages, learning styles, everything, it's just her and I. So if I'm not understanding something, she has another way to explain it to me. So she can use visual props where she's showing me pipe cleaners and things, and this is what this is, and this is what this is, and it's simulating inside the human body. Click. And then I go home and watch the video that she sends me, which corresponds with the workbooks that I'm doing and my homework assignments. Click, click, click. Everything just rolls together. She always has 3 or 4 options for learning that make it easier. If you can't quite grasp it one way, well, maybe you're a visual person and then you get it that way. And if I have questions, I go straight to her. I don't have to wait my turn. I don't have to, sit around. And it's more pressure on you too. You can't slack off because it's just her. The pressure's all on you to make sure everything is done as good as it can be. So that's the way it works. I love the flexibility. I've got 2 kids, so the main thing for me is finding a career where I can make a decent amount of money, but still be free to take them to school, pick them up from school, and deal with all their activities. So again, if I was with a lot of kids or other people in a classroom, you're all going at the same pace. So you sign up and you're there for as long as you're going to be there. Whereas where I am, if my life gets hectic and busy, I can slow it down. And if I'm really gung-ho on what I'm learning and I want to accelerate it and keep going, I can do it as fast as I want to, so you can get done faster if you're motivated enough too. Well, just kind of since becoming a mom, I really want to work with women. There's a lot of women, once they have kids, they kind of lose their shape and they lose their self-confidence. And if I can find a way to get that back for them and show them that it's actually easy and fun and it's girl time, it's loving yourself, that's what I want to do. And I coach basketball and soccer for little kids, so I'm thinking, why can't I do that for kids? Teach them about fitness when they're young, before they're even worried about their body image. Just teach them that sport is active and, injury prevention, that kind of thing. So that's kind of what I'm gearing up for now. Without Donna, it's a sad thing that the course will end because you're not going to see her as much as you see her now. So it's kind of sad, the loss of energy. She's got 20 years experience. There isn't a question out there that she can't answer or that she hasn't gone through or, So, yeah, kind of the mentorship part of it is great. And I am going to miss it, but she's the kind of person I kind of feel like she just might be in my life for the rest of my life. So we'll see what happens.